Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. It's a tune-up report today on a DX-98VHP. This is for Rogelio in California. Over here on this watt meter I've got 10 watts across the top scale. Got the radio's power all the way at its minimum. We got about 6 watts there. Now I'm going to change that scale to 100 watts. Show you the same 6 there, right below the 10. Alright, so that's 20, 40, 60, and 80. Okay, and I'm going to bring the power up. Okay, now peak power. So that's 60 watts carrier. Peak power, 250 watts. On this one is going to be right up here. There's 100, 150, 200.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check.
Let me put a bigger slug in. Let's take a look at our voltage here. 13.7, that's fine.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I got a 500 watt slug in now. So this is 200 and there's 300. 250's out of the line.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
Okay, and I'm going to take it to sideband. Check out that. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. As you know, I keep those down right around 200. Audio. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Okay, now let's put that back in AM. Oh, check out there. How about it, breaker 19 for a radio check?
Coming in clear on my side.
I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much. Team boy, y'all drive safe. Have a good one. Screwdriver, we're back out.